Little Beaver vertical bar horizontal boring. The driveway boring kit is ideal for boring up to 50 feet under driveways or parking lots. The kit includes the option of a 2, 3, or 4-inch water drill bit, as well as a swivel adapter, swivel assembly, and horizontal drill key. The applications for boring equipment in landscaping are actually quite diverse. Horizontal boring is highly valuable for every job, from landscape lighting line installation to irrigation system maintenance. And whether it's contractors with their own equipment or rental centers serving landscapers, homeowners, and do-it-yourselfers, most already have machines that can be paired with boring attachments and accessories, maximizing their fleet efficiency with multi-purpose equipment that can be used every day and on every job. Weber VPR 700 Paver and Slab Roller. The Weber VPR 700 is the hottest paver and slab roller compactor on the market. Designed for performance, Weber only makes compaction equipment, and they are, well, the leaders in the market for design for sure. This video shows the easy how-to and the specifications of the VPR 700. Cengar JSC pipe saw cold cutting Atex approved. The JSC is used in the oil and petrochemical and pipe fabrication industries for cutting steel sections and pipes up to 300 millimeters in diameter. The saw comes complete with a pipe and profile clamp and a blade guide to ensure straight cuts. Using it in a mounted position means there is no hand-arm vibration problem. It is supplied in a carry case complete with a clamp, sample blades, and a 250 milliliters bottle of oil. Spider wood form product focus. Smart Forklift from MORN Lift. The MORN Smart Pallet Forklift is designed to lift standard pallets with a 500 kilograms load capacity and a 1,500 millimeters lifting height. It is driven by a lithium battery with a long service life. The Smart Pallet Forklift is an ideal facility to load and unload goods in stacking warehouses, supermarkets, workshops, production lines, or handle goods on off-trucks, containers, etc. The bumper is MACE Industries' original product. It has revolutionized the roofing industry and is a household name within the UK and increasingly internationally. The bumper is quick to erect, simply unloaded from your truck and up and running within 4 minutes. 1,000 tiles can then be loaded onto any roof in under 25 minutes. Not only does the bumper outload any competitor, the bumper also has a powered reverse to strip valuable salvage down easily and fast straight from the roof into the back of a truck. The electric bumper is simple to use. Unfold the machine, plug it in, and off you go. All you need is a 5-foot transformer. Please see our operating instructions for more details. Funkkunststoff HS pipe cutting and beveling device. With the HS pipe cutting and chamfering device, HS and KG pipes made of PVC can be cut to length and chamfered in one operation. Pipes with nominal widths from DNOD 110 to 200 and pipe lengths from 0.18 to 3 meters can be processed. Techno Metal Post M1. Recognizing the application and use of these steel metal posts, Techno Metal Post's helical pile is screwed into the ground using proprietary machinery until the bearing capacity required for your structure is achieved. Ori Tools Quadro Bricklayer Block Cutter. The Ori Tools Bricklayer's Block Cutter is suitable for cutting all kinds of bricklayers' bricks. The machine is made with a robust steel frame and a heavy-duty adjuster handle. The cutting blades feature 4 edges and are made from heavy-duty hardened steel. The machine is available with an optional table for easier access. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.